Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have just got our hands on this brand new Blitzwolf BW-GH2 RGB gaming headset. Woohoo! Now we have recently reviewed the previous BW-GH1s. They definitely not only had a unique design, but they also had great audio with a surprisingly good overall build quality for a low budget headset. And well, we're going to check out these GH2s for ourselves and see if they are indeed any good. First off, outside the box, everything is minimalistic, just like the rest of the BlitzWolf products that we have previously reviewed on our channel. Inside, the headset comes fairly protected, with a simple yet detailed instruction manual. Okay. So we've got a 3.5mm detachable bendable microphone. To be honest, I'm always skeptical about longevity when it comes to detachable mics. But who knows, we are indeed going to simply test it out real soon. We do have the GH1 headset itself, which, well, yep, they certainly have a unique, kind of retro look about them. Although I'm not too keen on the cheap looking plastic finish on the outside of the 53mm drivers. Nevertheless, I do adore the embedded grained design to the top of that headband, with those copper coloured finishes on each side, as well as those chrome inner expandable sidearms. Oh, okay. So the drivers do rotate. That's good. But again, I'm not confident about the longevity, especially when stretching out the headset. Now, both of these earpads are made of thick PU protein corrosion resistant padding. They do feel rather comfortable. That is also the same with the padding on the headband too, with average noise isolation. Both earpads can be easily unclipped, so yes, you could most possibly replace them if need be, but then they do have a unique shape and design. So unless BlitzWolf themselves stock and sell them, my guess is that you may find it hard to find any type of replacements. As you can see, we have a nice little filter which is covering the 53mm drivers. And again, it seems like BlitzWolf have opted for a very long PVC cable rather than a braided one. There is a multifunction control unit with a volume control dial, a microphone and mute switch, which is a real plus point, especially for anyone wanting to hook up a USB studio microphone to their PS4 console. So yes, if you want to use any type of external microphone, you will indeed need to switch that microphone to mute, just so the PlayStation 4 will connect correctly to that microphone which you preferably want to use. Oh, we actually get an LED on-off switch too. That's fantastic. Now we have the option to turn off them LED lights. But why would you? Because after all, those lights look rather dazzling. So yes, they are RGB lights. They do have a rainbow style effect, but unfortunately, no, they can't be set to one individual colour. That 3.5mm microphone is indeed easily inserted into that 3.5mm port on the left hand side driver. Oh yes, and the microphone tip lights up too. That's real snazzy. Oh, alright, so the overall look, it's now somewhat improved. Honestly, do have an 80s look about them. I like it. And well, to power these headsets up, connectivity is done via the USB. So yes, it's only USB only, I'm afraid, just for now. These GH2s are compatible with PS4 and PC and laptop. But just a little note, as I'm aware, there is a 3.5mm model which is coming real soon. If you do manage to get hold of that particular version, let us know what you think about it in the comment section within this video. We are going to be connecting this to a PS4 today, making sure that all the microphone, broadcast and record settings are set correctly on the console itself to enable on-screen voice recording. So yes, we're going to simply test a few games out and see what the microphone quality is like too.
So, you're playing Last of Us. Whammy! In your face, disgrace! And we need to get into a bit of action to see what the audio quality is like with this BlitzWolf gaming headset. This guy.
Morning, girls.
Morning.
Hey, ladies.
Good. Now, the voice pickup that I can hear in the background, it's very good. You can actually pinpoint very small, unique sound effects that you wouldn't usually do with other gaming headsets. For example, that I've actually tested out before.
You did all this in the dark?
Yeah, he did that. He was hunting for somewhere to have it. You're jumping like a poot. Hang on.
Clearly.
Wow. before we even get into any action in this game, the waterfall just there to the right hand side, when you pan the camera around, the actual surround sound is indeed in front. Now, whereas when you've got those cheap budget gaming headsets that state that they offer surround sound, that surround sound from the front almost sounds like it's above rather than right in front of you. Audio shoots to the right ear, to the left ear, so we're concentrating on the waterfall just now, and right round to the rear. Yeah, it's pretty good. So these earphones are very well balanced. Now, the thing I would like to state, guys, is that most headphones actually do already have surround sound. It all depends on how well balanced they actually are, especially when it comes to the polarity of both drivers. This one, compared to other gaming headsets I've reviewed in the past, up to now is more than living up to its capabilities. Go and jump off, Abby.
How about I work my foot up your ass?
Stop flirting.
Stop flirting. He's into butch guys, isn't he? What's great about this gaming headset is that it's not packed full of bass like some cheap budget gaming headsets like to do, you know? So to cover up and mask up all the other poor audio levels.
City.
Mind your language, love. Yeah. Stay away. Skip that. Oh, what the f***? The f*** up in there? It's gonna be a waste of 3 minutes. I'm f***ing starving me. I could eat a brick. There's a big massive spider web in the corner of my house. I'm thinking, where's that effing spider?
Okay, what do you want to do?
What'll kill you? Get that! How many times do you have to do that? He dead. Don't get me wrong, BlitzWolf have released average sounding earphones and headphones, but up to now, both gaming headsets that I've tested out, up to now, are living up to the BlitzWolf quality. This guy just lying around. Goes in. What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ, that got me. Alright, that got me. Get his face! Ah! Yeah, she got some muscle, this girl. Uh-oh, I can hear something. Blood! Sack fighting him. Ah! This is a fantastic headset, guys. Freaky! It's right behind me. Ah! I mean, like I said, the audio isn't super loud, I must admit, but bass, mid-levels, they're just overall very well balanced, just like the GH1s. I do prefer the mic quality with those GH1s. The voice pickup is slightly louder with the GH1s and slightly more crisp. You're going down. And she's not even a zombie, she's just a crackhead. Boom! Yeah guys, that's a bit of the gameplay. And that's a bit of the audio quality. This headphone set is certainly not going to live up to the more expensive gaming headsets on the market just now, but as they're in a budget gaming category, audio quality is just fantastic. For that price being below £30. It's about 35 in US dollars.
These GH2s, they pack a punch, with not only great high tones to match, but with those mid tones that match the good quality of the previous BW-GH1s. A lot of thought has indeed been put into game immersion for sure. Surround sound from the front and rear of the headset was fantastic. So for example, all in-game footsteps were all very easily located, as well as the direction of gunfire and them low rate sound effects that usually wouldn't be noticeable with cheaper gaming headset units. Okay, I do personally prefer the previous GH1s very slightly, only because of the good microphone and the build quality too, as yes, I've certainly chucked them about a lot without causing any damage. Not too sure that you could get away with that so easily with these GH2s. Nevertheless, I still somewhat like the look and design, and with that included much improved location of that multifunction control unit, it does complete an already above average headset that would definitely be suitable for Fortnite or even Overwatch. I must admit, I am absolutely loving a lot of these BlitzWolf products lately. Just a few of them are listed on my channel. I am pleased to add this headset today to our collection, and if I was to rate this out of my usual rating out of 10, then I've got to give this BlitzWolf BW-GH2 RGB gaming headset a rating of 8 out of 10. Now if you want to go ahead and check this headset out, I will leave a link in the video description down below. Go and take a look, and if you like what you see, well, go get yours. And while you're there guys, it'd be mighty fine if you smash that like button today. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel also, making sure to click that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all my new uploads. I hope this video helped today. I will be uploading a few more reviews this week. Stay tuned for them. And as usual, stay safe. And I hope to see you guys on those very next videos. Peace!